something quiet, something watchful, sings a mindful song, something waiting all potential. It's been there all along. Begin to flower. Begin to break through. Seeds of change are rising up through ancient solid ground, all transforming, hearts are warming, tender is the sound. Begin to flower. Begin to grow something precious, something moving. New life has begun. New direction, all abundance, turning toward the sun. Begin to flower. Begin to know something quiet, something watchful, sings a mindful song. Taking a deep breath and inviting in this time of meditation, we begin to direct our attention inward. Simply allowing the mind to release active thinking, to begin observing. Being present to what arises and allowing it to move on, while drawing our attention to the breath, to the inhale and exhale. Drawing the next breath in, raise the crown of the head high and lengthen the spine. And on the exhale, simply allow the shoulders to relax and find yourself grounded and rooted right where you are. Allow the next breath to be a cleansing breath. Inhaling in love. And exhaling, releasing any negativity, any fear, any suffering, any tension, any thoughts of separateness or other. Inhaling love. Exhaling into peace. On the next inhale, visualize light moving into the body, up to the crown of the head, to the third eye. And on the exhale, allowing that light to go down through the body all the way through to the toes and connecting to the earth. And inhaling and exhaling, visualizing that light just moving through the body from center to circumference as radiating healing light, harmonizing this body temple, healing anything that is here to be healed, revealing anything that is to be revealed. Again, inhaling that light, bringing it to the heart center, and allowing it to move from that heart center again, center to circumference, through every atom, every cell, every muscle, every tissue, every tendon, every bone, every blood vessel, every atom. Anything unlike Godness is released into the nothingness from which it came. The divine faculty of radiating, harmonizing love is present in this body temple, in this mind. This mind is saturated in love. This is the one mind that is the universal mind, the universal consciousness that is love expressing as humanity, that comes and flows forth from our divinity, that is of the highest nature. And we breathe here in the silence. Bring to mind anyone you would like to share healing light with. Just hold them in your heart or picture them in your mind. And see this radiating light moving throughout their body temple. Present like a sun in the mind and the heart. At the soles of the feet. And just visualize it radiating out from their bodies like a protective cocoon of healing, radiating light, surrounding and enfolding them with absolute wholeness and divine protection and pure love. If you choose to move your hand to your heart and know this prayer, by the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing to others. Namaste.